My mind's telling me no, but my body is telling me yes. Baby, I don't wanna hurt nobody, but there is something that I must confess. Grips on your waist, run away, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away.
I wanna rock with you all night, dance you in today.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. Usually doesn't rain on. Say my name when no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Let me hold you, girl, caress my body. You got me going crazy. You turn me on, turn me on. All calls diverted to answer phone. Please leave a message. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? Senorita, I feel for you. You deal with things that you don't have to. Don't love, don't play with it, don't be dishonest, yeah. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck you, white horse in your carriage, but you never could imagine. Never told you could have it. You need. How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Hey! So we'll piss off the neighbors in the place to feel the tears, the place to lose your feeling now. Too good to you, I'm way too good to you.
Now I've got you in my space.
I like to be everything you want. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. Yeah, yeah. Shawty got down low, so come and get me. Yeah, yeah. Next thing I know, como tú te llamas, yo no sé. De dónde llegaste ni pregunté. 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so player. You are my sun, you are my earth. You didn't know all the ways I loved you. No, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. You only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. Yeah, I knew you were trouble when you walked in. Oh, cause your sex takes me to paradise. Yeah, your sex takes me to paradise. It's the remix to ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling the body, got every man in here wishing. With us two in the middle. All of me loves all of you. All your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? If our love's insanity, why are you my clarity? I gave you the key when the door wasn't open. Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turn your doubt into hope, and can't deny it.
Oh, the taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. You're toxic, I'm slipping under.
They try to make me go to rehab, and I said no, no, no.
These are my confessions. Just when I thought I said all I could say, my chick on the side said she got one on the way. These are my confessions. Man, I'm thrown and I don't know what to do. Guess I gotta give part to my confessions.
This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Where are you now that I need you?
But you didn't have to cut me off. Make out like it never happened and that we were nothing. And I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger and it feels so rough.
Cause we all just wanna be big rock star, living hilltop houses, driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. We'll all stay skinny cause we just won't eat them well.
Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. Hey,
I left my girl back home, I don't love her no more.
and they say she's in the class 18.
And take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your light. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife.
You took the clothes off my back, and I let you.
When it comes to you, don't be blind. Watch me speak from my heart. When it comes to you, comes to you. No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of our best friend's ride, try to holler at me.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel, I think about you all the time. You'll see it in my dreams.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I love cheap grills. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I love cheap grills.
So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no.
Well, Monday, where the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm.
So please have mercy on me and take it easy on my heart.
Like controller, controller.
Cause all we need is somebody to lead on.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel.
She caught me on the counter,
It wasn't me.
saw me banging on the sofa.
Cause I've been up all night, no sleep. Cause I feel like I'm always dreaming.
Who do you love? And are you sure?
Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world.
So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
Jealousy turning saints into the sea, but it's just the price I pay. Destiny is calling me. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I bet you smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. I'm in love with the cocoa.
Let's not play. You tell me to go and then you put your hands on me. Hands on me. Who do you love? Are you sure? Who do you love? And are you sure? Friends always feel the need to tell me things. Seems like they're just happier than us these days. These days I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you see me is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. And last night I think I lost my patience. Last night I got high as the expectations. Last night I came to a realization, and I hope you can take it. I hope you can take it all. I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand it. No, I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted.
I just don't understand it. I'm way too good. You. I'm way too good. I'm way too good. You. I just don't. You take my love. Granted. I'm way too good. I'm way too good. You. I just don't.
I don't know how to talk to you. I just know I found myself getting lost with you. Lately you just made me work too hard for you. Got me on flight overseas and I still can't get across to you. Oh, and last night I think I lost my patience. Last night I got high as expectations. Last night I came to a realization, and I hope you can take it.
But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another player on a hit list, trying to fix your inner issues with a bad bitch.
Didn't they tell you that I was a savage?
Fuck your white horse in your carriage, but you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it. You need and who you need and who you.
You take my love, granted. I'm way too good. I'm way too good. You. I just don't.
You have my heart, we'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazines, but you still be my star.
Oh, for the longest we were jamming in the party, and you wanting on me, pushing everything right back on top of me, yeah.
I love you, boy, do you feel the same? I don't wanna play games, no games.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do.
Hey, I wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had.
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuero despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te quiero si no estás conmigo.
Could we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? We can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that may be.
We'd be all night in love, in love.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful?
Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend.
I like the way you work it, no diggity. I'm about to bag it up, bag it up.
first moment, find out.
My sexy love. Say you love me, say you love me, but you never left for me. Yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see it? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute he wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what? I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl. Cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you. I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday. Took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on that, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down. Cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. In Havana, ooh, nah, nah. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Diga que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. You know I love it when the music's loud, but come on, strip that down for me. There's a lot of people in the crowd, but only you can dance with me. Cause I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. Body like a back road, driving with my eyes closed. I know every curve like the back of my hand. I'm way too good at goodbye. I met you in the dark, you lit me up. I was enough, but I got issues. You got them too. So give them all to me, and I'll give mine to you. All you want to do is say a minute. Just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. Not trying to be in there, not trying to be cool. Just trying to be in this. Tell me how you do. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. I've been smashing hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Oh, I've been shaking, I love it when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. No, who's taking you home and loving you so. The way I used to love you, oh, I don't wanna know. Slow hands, like sweat dripping down on dirty laundry. No chance that I'm leaving here without you. Baby, I'm sorry, I'm not sorry.
Feeling used, but I'm still missing you, and I can't see the end of this. Just wanna feel your kiss against my lips. And now all this time is passing by, I still can't seem to tell you why. It hurts me every time I see you, realize how much I need you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I will never be her.
I miss you when I can't sleep, right after coffee, or right when I can't eat. Miss you in my front seat, still got sand in my sweater from nights we don't remember. Do you miss me like I miss you? I messed around and got attached to you now. Friends can break your heart too. I'm always tired, but never of you. If I treated you like it, you wouldn't like that. Held out my hand for you, you didn't touch that. I wrote a text, but then I deleted that. I got these feelings, but you didn't realize that. Oh, keep it on the low. You're still in love with me, but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you just say so. If I were you, I would never let me go.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I will never be her. So forget that new girl that you love so bad.
I know you still think about the times we had.
I said forget that new girl that you think you found.
And since you picked up, I know he's not around.
I'm just saying you could do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you could do better. And I'll start hating only if you make me.
You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I say that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Whoa, I did not believe that it would end, no. Everything came second to the band, so you're not even speaking to my friends, no. You knew all my uncles and my aunts, though. 20 candles, blow 'em out and open your eyes. We were looking forward to the rest of our lives. Used to keep my picture posted by your bedside. Now it's in your dresser with the socks you don't like. And I'm rolling, 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 rolling with my brothers like it's Jonas, Jonas. Drinking Henny and I'm trying to forget, but I can't get this shit out of my head. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I say that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Whoa.
Wow, should've known. Why does something good never last long? Why does something right always go wrong? I said I'm sorry, but I waited too long. Wonder if you found some company, or if you're alone, the same as me. Never knew how special we would be, till the future changed the memories. Who you gonna call when you get too drunk? All the times that I picked you up, held back your head when you've had too much. I do it all again just to bring back us, but I can't fix us, cause you've had enough, and it hurts so much.
You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I say that I am better now, better apologize. Make up for all those times. 'Cause your love I don't wanna lose. I'm begging, I'm begging you. Wait, can you turn around? Can you turn around? Just wait. Can we work this out? Can we work this out? Just wait. Can you come here please? 'Cause I wanna be with you. Wait, can you turn around? Can you turn around? Just wait. Can we work this out? Can we work this out? Just wait. Can you come here please? 'Cause I wanna be with you. Been a liar, been a thief, been a lover, been a cheat. All my sins need holy water, feel it washing over me. Well, little one, I don't want to admit to something. If all it's gonna cause is pain, the truth in my lies right now, I'm falling like the rain. So let the river run.
Yeah, and nothing stays the same. If you ready for love, be ready for all the pain. Gotta taste of the fame and look at who I became. A grown-ass man playing immature games. I feel stupid, how the hell could I do this? I knew that you were clueless and all I did was abuse it. I know that it was foolish, I know that it was ruthless. But if I really knew it, why the hell did I go through it? I remember when you called, I told you that I was sleeping. But other girls I was meeting, I was too busy cheating. And it just kept repeating and repeating like every single evening. To the point I didn't even give a damn if you were leaving, but I do now. And now I know you don't realize what you have till the day you see it go. And maybe we'll try again, forget what I did before. Forgive me for my mistakes, I guess I will never know. It's a story untold.
I've been a liar, been a thief, been a lover, been a cheat. All my sins need holy water, feel it washing over me. Well, little one, I don't want to admit to something. If all it's gonna cause is pain, the truth in my lies right now, I'm falling like the rain. So let the river run.
And the story goes on, it's the same old song. Flashback to Cat when I was staying at her home. I used to sleep in hers cause she hates sleeping alone. I go and grab the cover, then a text come through her phone. And it was from a guy who was older than me. He said, call me when you get this and I come when he leaves. And I just couldn't believe that she was cheating on me. And still had the fucking nerve that she could blame it on me. Like, Aunt, what did you expect? You ain't never around. It was my birthday last week, you weren't even in town. And yeah, you bought me a gift, but baby, that wasn't shit. I don't care about the money that you spend on my wrist. I cried so many tears because you never were here. And we talked and we fought, but you just never appeared. I told you so many times, it must have went through your ears. Cause you don't care about us, babe, only your career, and that's real.
I've been a liar, been a thief, been a lover, been a cheat.